Yeah, proper. Look say Sugin, look say Sugin. Yeah, so of course this topic was all long overdue. Also boys in the wala. And now the question is, man are dominating on the ground um, between Ben Mayengan and Mr. Post, based on my perspective, of course. Yeah, they look again. It's not as clear as it looks or as it sounds. This time around, it should depend on many various factors. All over this time around, all over. Yeah, so first of all, it depends on the area. Yeah, yeah, it depends on the area. This time around, because these people, both of them are playing. And invite event total already. Even today, another event. Nolalo ku ri switandini because ni swi vona ku swi ta tika ngopfu hi ku tirhisa doroba a switandini leswi nga swi realize ku it's not as easy as it looks. Hinkwavo le ku tlangweni Benny Mayengani na Mr Post le ku tlangweni. I think in overall that's what ni nga ta swi vula, they are both being played, leswi endlaku swilo swi tika kwalaho. Mara loko hi kha hi langutisa kahle the expectations on the ground, considering the fact ku a va humesa nkarhi wun'we Ben Mayengani the president na Mr Post, i kume Ben Mayengani hi yena a fika a kumeka a kha dominator ma yi kuma yena mhaka leyi. However, that's not the case. Like Mr Post na yo diri ku karhateni loko it's not as clear as it looks. A swi zangi swi va ka situation yo mi kuma ku yo boha kecekece on the ground. A swi fananga na online leswi nga ta swi vula on the ground. There's a huge competition. A ku va na munhu loyi nga ta ku yo vheta a wina just like that easily. Ve le ku tlangeni hinkwavo. Mara before ni vula ku my perspective about this, swi very important ku va mi kha mi yi tekeni that point. Yo leswi a swi langutisiwe xiswona a swi humerisani xiswona because Phosa byi le ku twaleni na byona na Benny le ku twaleni. Mara hala wa xitwa swingomana le Mr Post, hala wa xitwa swingomana i Benny Mayengani. Ta vuya and atithekisini va rhandza ngopfu track ya Mr Post yo tiba lokhala ni ma swona ku swa fambisana va yi rhandza ngopfu that track. Ho hindza yana fast la ni vona ku na moya va yi rhandza ngopfu that track a ni thekisini. And then of course na Ben Mayengani that beat song na yona yi va yi kha yi twala swinene. Those songs ti va kha ti twala in most cases. So leswi ni nga swi vulaka ku on the ground swi komba ku they are equal. And then ni nga tlhela ni vula ku Mr Post has an edge here because the expectations a ku ri ku Ben the president yi nge fiki bakecekece. I mean like yi ta fika hi bakecekece, I'm sorry. Even then swi nga humeleli na don't fika ti twala hosi ngopfu. And we also need to understand ku hi 2021 hi dwa ti pfarini on the ground. So na sweswiwa ti tlhela ti vuya na hi power, like mina ni nga vula ku on the ground they are equal. A ni voni a nga hluriwa on the ground. And after loko se ni langute tindhawu to hambanahambana I have to say ku a ku na loyi a nga hluriwa, it's the same. Ku hi perspective ya mina loko se ni swi langute kahle without being biased, they are equal on the ground. Mara sweswo it means Ben the president i le hansi ka ntshikelelo because loko ku ri Mr Post Z kota ku va ti tirha swinene ti phikizana na yena on the ground hi matimba swinene, swi vula ku he's losing the fight because Mr Post did not defense. Leswi fika mi swi tiva sweswo. Ni twa loko after yena ni Ben Mayengani ni twa after loko Ben Mayengani the president a fika a kombisa ku Mr Post fike defiwa hi swikotela. I've looked on page leya Ben the president ni vona ku vanhu ve ri yini. I found out most people there they are ready to fight. Like a va pfumelana na swona, like there can be a fight loko un'wana o fika o fika Mr Post xikotela ku ri fan ya Ben the president a nga boha strong. So what I'm trying to say is Mr Post did look gaining at the fence. A swa ha fanele masungulweni swa dina 5 wa defense. They look gaining at the fence. Ma yi kuma nyana. On the ground se dina defense na byona. A ka ha ri Mr Post sinjinjinji doku favor. I think part of the reason is because Ben the president does not listen to the fence. Hi swin'wana swa downsides. Bana the president a yi yingiseli yona hi yona and swa yi affecta swinene when it comes to his music. Loko music vhele u ya ka ti-fans if mi kuma ku munhu a nga ri ku yingiseni ka ti-fans obviously swo boha swa ka swi ku affecta. So what's my decision? My decision is I'm giving them 50-50 for now. With a perspective, if bana the president a nga yingiseli ti-fans next year ndiya ku pfaleni phosa a ni voni ku ri ta va na competition. Matwini ma heza lama a ni vule khani ku ma yisa lama chaya wa fu hlava nge lunga wo a nga lunghanga i improvini. I think it's very important to vula ku yena i improvini. Yes, he did improve mara ka ma hisa lama a nga lunghanga. Moneni, I think let's hit a pause ku na moya ngopfu la. Yes, proper. As I've said, yeah, those guys are much higher myself. So yes, in as much level next year, we won't come in and need the assistance. It over charge average gas. My son and mama that improve so they are winning. So look, easy if I draw, as I've said, it means Mr. Post is winning, and then I won. So. In other words, you don't improve at the moment, Mr. Post, which means next year, you can farm bala. Logo, next year, Mr. Post, they have baggage, Ben Manga. I don't think you're going to be the president. Logo, for my assistance. So the big first stuff, Steve at the corner. Yeah, I can farm, but if I convince the president, could have got funny way, moon, what of Chava, what of Chai. Hey, I get Chai guys. Because Mr. Post dog family was there, deserted to crowd, perhaps should set enough fan base. Should see what Mr. Post enough fan base, a strong one. Me do one document number 4, get the iTunes. So Mr. Post now did not a strong fan base. And the next year, show board the command number 1 got the iTunes. So ball, go say any piece. So ball. So nishinda so nishfananza na Kaizer Chiefs na Sundowns. Bene Kaizer Chiefs. Mr. Post is Sundowns. Sundowns ain't gonna defense card. Mara ivi increase hi maka dominance ya yo. Mona yan shishi na defense to hla na yo. That's what is happening with Mr. Post. So do increase na do, which means if impela bena president ita continue kanga inside defense. Sta onaka because khale vanhu va kha complain swona swa hlawu faka pfuniwa hambi mina ni vlog to tala about it ku faka pfuniwa. So if himpela kha continue thanga pfuniwa yi nge chayi kahle so I think point ya me clear la for now ni va nyika 50-50. I think they are both dominating. It's not clear ku imanga ku wineni sweswi. It's not clear as fana 2021 a swi very clear ku hosingova yi dodi nga ku ben hinkwako ana very na ben the president I humese September, but this time around hinkwavo humese December, so it's very difficult to decide who's actually dominating. Video loko ku ba ngopfu moya ni ta veta ni heta loko ni hetini so it's not easy now ku va hi determine who is actually dominating on the ground. Ni ku ta ku sweswiwako i Mr. Post i hala ya twa beni swi le ku chayeni ti-tavern swi le ku chayeni movheni i ku i beni i ya hala i dyi twa hosi ngova ti ba local ti-taxini to tala hey it's difficult guys. I'm to know ground you ain't simple. It's difficult. So online, mina na maka na swona. I think when vetana at this point, I'm online guys, man. I'm gonna go for na yona. When it comes to dominance, and I'm gonna go for swona. Wo xavisa la. Nze ku vola makhadzi wa fu ishafso ngopfu album leswi. Anga 100 million to tala ngopfu mara a xi na ntikelo. Mone so mina swa online a ku xavisiwa. Va Dr. Josh Remano va fikini ka number 1 na vula swo tari album ya vona, but mina me online ma swi tiva na. So the ground yona ni tirhisa. So this time around leswi nga ta xi vula it's 50-50. Congratulations to the president, and then congratulate ngopfu Mr. Post. Wow, swa ku dile ku tirheni swinene. Moya loyi na ku ba ngopfu se ni fike heta vit. Hetela this place very beautiful. So congratulations to Mr. Post. I look rising me solo. We cannot deny that fact. Yeah, it will rise. Mina ni khomela voice leya mina a ku le ku tleliweni ti le ku vuya na sweswi ku yiwa kun'wana. Yeah, loko ku ri a mi nga za mi subscribe a ni ta kombela mi tlika subscribe.